Get ready to amp up your cleanup game with Done Right Dumpsters. We're not just your average waste management service but the ultimate groove masters of dumpster rentals. When you need to toss out the old and bring in the new, we've covered you with top-notch bins that'll keep your space fresh and fly. Our team is about making your cleanup experience smooth and hassle-free so you can focus on what matters, getting back to the beat of life. Ready to drop the beat on your cleanup project? Give us a shout at 612-403-5999 or boogie on over to www.donerightdumpsters.com to check out our range of dumpster rentals. Whether throwing a small-scale soiree or gearing up for a massive cleanup extravaganza, we have the perfect size and style to suit your needs. Don't let the clutter cramp your style, let Done Right Dumpsters help you groove your way to a cleaner, happier space. With Done Right Dumpsters, you're not just getting a dumpster rental but joining the ultimate cleanup party. Our team of cleanup aficionados ensures that every step of your journey is met with energy, enthusiasm, and much rhythm. So why wait? Let's turn up the volume on your cleanup project and get the party started today.